Hi and welcome back to appsalike.net. So on our other video, we were speaking about, I think, the most important features in 2.0 panel, the custom page. We speak how to add some future text and wherever video and so on. So let's move, I think, forward on what we have next. We have like the news one. So we are speaking about the pages that we already have it here. This one, the news, speaking about the football app, you will need some news. Why? The news is extremely important because you can add new. We are speaking here about news about some player, you know. So here we can add some content, the design of it. You can see if it look like this, and also the background of each one. So I don't want to dig in a lot on all this information, but just to make a simple example that everything is calculated here. You can speak about some player, you know, you can speak about you can add some picture. Let's see this one. You can see new player, you can insert a new picture into this one, you know. You can make a title, a date, a subtitle, all this information you can edit here. And you can also see this information live. You can hide this information. Okay. So what we done here, we hide this information. But if you want, we can show this info. So we have this settings, or we can add contain. We can write something here, the title, date. We can put the date if it's the case. You can write whatever you want. You can insert a picture. I don't know about football. I don't have a picture now about football. So there's no limit also about this page, the news page. Let's try another one. Put this date and write whatever you want and put OK. So I don't have a picture, but you can use whatever picture that you want. And if you can see, this picture is your icon here. This one is here. And we added this one without anything. So what happened in the news page? Let's see, your app is already online, you know, and you want to start to add some information with it. You can do it online. It means that your application, it's online, it's on the App Store, on the Google Play, and you can add all this information that our team has win this, I don't know what, things like this. Let's move forward because we don't have all the time. We will go to the page that it's the calendar. Okay, we have also calendar. Calendar, we will use it basically if you have some match, let's say football match, and you want to inform your client that you have it on that day or whatever. Yeah, it's the same. If you see here, you have the date, a picture, and you say this team versus the other team. So what we are speaking now is regarding just the football app. So maybe the things that you will not need it for the restaurant app. So we are just giving some ideas, and that's why it's extremely important. If you are targeting something like the football app, it's extremely important at least to start, or at least to have an idea how it's look like, or how it feels like, or what features that you will need it. And that's why it's better to start with things that is already built. So as you can see, it's almost the same managed content that we already have it. This one, the championship. You have it here, custom calendar. You can enter. These are the matches. You can see matches. And this is the championship versus FCSP or versus MCFC, timing and whatever. These are like the event. Okay, so this one we check it. What we have here, we have also goodies. The goodies also it's a cool one. It's a cool page. Why? Because with goodies, you can this one you can you have your store. This it's if you can see it's the same basic. You have the background. If you have the background here, you can change it. We are speaking about background as an image, not background as a color. You have contain. So this is the official store. These are the product. If you can enter here to manage contain. So it's one store. Oh, you can see here. So here the store information, the official store, the address, all the information about it. The delivery in store, delivery carry out, delivery fee if you have some taxes. So if the payment, the type of payment that you accepted, you can see here. So we have this one are for the store. Let's go back. Here we have the stores, as I say before. We have the catalog, my category. We have jersey and balls. You can add my category. You go to the product. We have this product, the price of it. We have all these things. In case we have some order, we go here, we see the orders. So these are the page. It's like the motherboard. All the information will enter onto it, and then you start to divide. If you have some order, you can accept it. You cannot accept it. All these things, the name of the customer, and here's some settings. Also, this page, it's interesting. If you are selling some product online, you can use this page and it will do the magic. So basically, if we have an online shop, if you use the About Us and this one, I think it's enough. Maybe some gallery, maybe some, it's enough for you. Just 3 pages, it's enough for you. And the other one will be like extra. Here, the phone number, the birth, if it's mandatory, if it's hidden, optional, or whatever. Invoice address, delivery address. I think all this information, it's important. If you have some discount setting, you can add it here. Create a new discount. Label, code, minimum amount, fix it. All this information, you can create it into the setting. So basically, these are the things that you can do it onto the commerce page. We call it commerce. We have also the pictures, the photos. So what I prefer for or our client is to check all these pages to make some test on it if they have time to check it and to see what thing that they think that's not working and to contact us. This is my opinion, because if we go and test each one, we will need maybe hundreds of videos. But this is what I think it's better. We will make a general look for these features, and then the client decide what they will need some more info. Same here. You can add content, you can manage content that you have it, and the background. Okay, thank you for this one, and see you on the other video, where we will speak more about the other features. Thank you. Bye.